Right, welcome back in part 29 of the Metro restoration. Off camera, I've got it all masked up completely. I tack clothed it, panel wiped it, it's completely now ready to paint, bar one fly that I keep seeing going around the garage. So as soon as I found that fly, I'm going to get my paint mixed up and we're going to get it basically in colour. I'm going to start uploading a couple of bits and pieces onto Instagram, which is Nick's Garage UK. Right, so to show you the masking up, so obviously doors, windows, everything's done. They're the two parts that are still left to paint. The insides are okay, I think, but I may go over them again. Got the doors there completely masked on the back, totally ready, all in the arches, all covered up. And then obviously the engine bay, I found that there's two flies wandering around. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them, but they're pissing me off and I don't really want to start painting until I've got them both. Quick show where I'm up to now. So flatted that wing off now, rear quarter panels flat, they're just done to 1200 grit. The roof has been done in 1200, then 1500, and then I've gone over it in 3000. That's just gun finish there. I started to polish that wing, but I bought some new polish, had it delivered, so I'll go over that again, or cutting compound rather. Right, so hopefully as you saw on the time lapse there, I've managed to do the roof. Done down this A-pillar here as well. Not flatted this quarter panel yet. I'm leaving all this gun finish round here. I polished up the rear valance. We're all completely flat there. So that's ready basically to rub down with, done that with 1200s, need to do 1500s and 2000s. And the same with the front wing. That just wants cleaning up again. And then this other A-pillar has been polished up as well, as you can see. Right, just give you an update. I've done a load of work off camera, as you can see. So windscreen's fitted, door locks and handles both sides, cleaned all the interior out of all the dust from painting. Just about to do the back windows, so I've used some clear double-sided tape like they did originally for the headlining. I've had to leave the headlining down at the back because obviously tailgate's not painted yet. I've even got some black gaffer tape, as they were originally, to cover the holes for the hinges. We've got backlights cleaned up. One of them's got a very slight crack in, so I'm gonna have to, I can't remember which one it is, but I need to sort that out. Still need to vac out the boot. Got my wiring back through. As you can see, the interior is looking nice. Driver's side door. Nice low mileage there. See the floor mat, it's like it's never been used. Interior still needs a little bit of a spruce up. I'm not putting the door cards in because I want to wax oil everything. I'll have to whip the door cards off at the back. All the rubbers have all come up nice after just a bit of a clean. I've got the front rubber on there, obviously screening. This rubber's like brand new as well. Wiper linkage is back in. Started running the loom in as well. Just need things like this all come up really nice. Next things to do, I've got a sandblast the slam panel there. A little bit of welding to do on the battery tray. It's got a tiny bit of corrosion on it, and then obviously I need to do them two bits there. Right, so I'm going to leave it at that for now. On the next video I'm going to do in a minute the back windows, and I'm going to be cracking on with the bonnet and the tailgate and then bits and pieces. I'll see you on the next one.